afternoon and welcome to another video here on YouTube. As you can see, Brussels Airlines returning after just over 2 weeks when I come back. It was 2 weeks ago, yesterday, that I'd actually come back from Brussels, but yep, on the way back. And as you know, as I've been banging on about for the last couple of months, is Walibi Belgium, the theme park at Ravry, just outside Brussels. So yeah, we're looking forward to this one. Anyway, regarding the plane today, it is an Airbus A320. Anybody who's into the planes, that does include me obviously, and it's a dud. I actually had that one, the Marguerite. I think he's an artist in Brussels. I had that from Brussels to Vienna last year when I was doing my cross Europe trip. So a cred's a cred. Well, unfortunately that's not a cred, but can't really do anything about it. So anyway, the thing today really on the video is just a travel vlog really. I'm going to cover the park tomorrow. I've got a separate memory card and everything for that. So yeah, just basically travelling really. I'll get you a little bit on the plane, a little bit when we land, and also a bit of an hotel tour as well. I am staying in the Best Western in Brussels. It's the first time I've ever stayed at a Best Western. So yeah. So, waiting to queue up, quite a few people for this one. The security was pretty good today. We got moved, security A was busy, so we got moved to security B straight through it. I've never been through security that quick at Manchester. So, a couple of pints beforehand. Also, excuse me if I'm a little bit croaky and I'm a little bit sniffler. I have been suffering from a cold. A little bit better today, but hopefully full throttle ahead tomorrow for Walibi. So, yeah, Manchester Airport, you see the Jet 2 just pulling in there, the Boeing 737. So I'll get you a little bit on the plane, getting on the plane and everything, and yeah, see you on there. Manchester to Brussels. Yeah, I've just actually found out that I've got an emergency exit seat, 12F. So there you go. So no bags on ride for this one. Well, not for the takeoff and landing anyway. So I haven't got the handle or anything, I'm just doing this straight from the camera. Yeah, nice to have a window seat and so the extra leg room. So I've only ever done one of these once. Yeah, happy days.
If you're sitting in the front row or next to an emergency exit, you have a little bit more room to wiggle your toes, but you can only store your items in the overhead bins. Please be careful when you open them though. We're not flying into space, you know, so gravity will still apply. Most electronic devices can be used on board. You'll find all the information about this in our in-flight magazine in the seat pocket in front of you. Oh, and we know you're really funny when you're drunk, but thank you. We already have entertainment systems on board. And
English channel now into Belgium. Anyway, enjoying a nice Stella here, which is nice and fizzed up. Anyway, I thought I'd show you the menu, some bits and bobs out of the menu. I actually want to show you this page, which is the collector's items. You don't often actually see it now on planes. This sort of takes me back to the 90s flying as a kid, but what we just see there, the different aeroplanes and everything. You've got the key rings and everything, and actually do on-board duty free as well. So a standard menu really, got sandwiches in there, different deals and everything. Yeah, that's your shop and eat, and also I've actually got one of the plane today that I tried to get this when I went to Brussels a couple of weeks ago, but didn't manage it. So yeah, happy days. €25. So anyway, we should be in Brussels in the next 20 minutes or so. Try and get the landing and everything. So I'm a bit out of my comfort zone here on the emergency exit seats. Most people know me or know me well. I am a big faffer and I like my bags around me, so it's a bit distracting the people next to me coming in for my bag and everything. But yeah, you can see west coast of Belgium there, all lit up. So hopefully this is going to be a dusk landing. A little bit on the airport and on the train as we're going to Brussels, and yeah, good stuff. Again then, after 2 weeks, well, 2.5 weeks, yeah, back in Brussels. I think they call the airport Zavantem, how I'll pronounce it. So right, off to find this train. Hopefully I'll have a bit more luck this time. The last time I ended up going around in a big circle. I eventually found it, but yeah, as you can see up there, all the stuff's this way. But yeah, good flight. A bit late, pushing back, about 20-25 minutes. There was congestion around the airport. But once we got off, straight onto the runway, 05 right, I believe. 05 left. It was runway 05 anyway. And straight up. So I'm going to try and find these trains. There you go, -1. So, excuse me. Yeah, good flight. Great to get the Magritte plane. I've been after that for a couple of flights now. So yeah, really happy I got that one. €25. Joining a little collection that I've got at home in little model aeroplanes. So I'm just going to go down here. So yeah, plan of action then. I'll get you a little bit on the train and everything. Need to sort my tickets out from here to Brussels Central. May as well get my return for Sunday. Also, I'm might make some inquiries about Walibi tomorrow, doing the return fare. I may as well. I'll also do a little hotel tour as well, so it'd be rude not to, and then I'll close it off, ready for tomorrow. But yeah, here's the train. Right, hopefully I have a bit more luck actually getting my ticket this time, because last time I made a bit of a mess up of it, and I'll see you on there. Yeah, that was pretty straightforward. Well, I've actually got the right platform. I went on to platform 1 and 2. Platform 3 I wanted, but I just walked down the platform, got over the bridge and come back down onto it. So as you can see, it's pretty quiet. Not many people travelling around on a Friday night. And the ticket, yeah, pretty simple really. It was like a weekender ticket. Again, I'm going to have to sort out my European travel facilities. I am going to try and get onto that. But anyway, this is the public one, £15.40, and it's like a weekender ticket, which is valid over the weekend. Obviously, it says what it does on the tin. Very, very similar to the one we actually did on Midland Mainline. Well, when we were Midland Mainline. So yeah, see there, 28th, which is today, coming back 30th, and it just operates as one ticket rather than you messing around and getting two singles. So anyway, the announcer's going, I don't understand a word of it, but yeah, that was pretty straightforward. It was. So anyway, we're on the move, and I'll see you in Brussels, I suppose. Brussels centre. As I said, I'll give you an hotel tour and train on the other side. Give you a bit of an hotel tour, go for a couple of drinks, unwind a little bit, and close things off. But yeah, leaving Zavantem. I think they call it Zavantem. Well, Brussels, yeah, Zavantem, Brussels Airport. Yeah, just a quick look at the train that's just brought me down from the airport. See locomotive halls. Got the so the second class. You've also got a first class carriage as well. Show you a little bit of the station at Central. Have a walk up to the Best Western. Yeah, and if you want to get off one of these trains, use the yellow button, not the green button. I know it sounds Belgian. Yeah, Brussels Zood. Right, turn it off. Right then, a quick room tour. So, all operated by card for my lock. So I just got in here 5 minutes ago. Inquired about the bar and everything, and yeah, I've got to get down there within the next sort of 20 minutes. Right, so as you can see, very, very big bed. That's it, a bit of light. Quite a big teller, complimentary glass of red wine. Yeah, that'll be getting drunk soon. There, you've got your Chris. You've also got a little mini bar. I am actually after a can of pop. Bit dry, so you've got your spirits in there and everything. Water. Your tea making facilities, which is quite a rarity coming abroad. You don't often have the luxury of having a cup of tea in the room, but here you've got one. I won't show you the view. There's not much of a view. It's a bit. So the bathroom, nice and spacious. With all your toiletries. Yeah, really nice. So this cost me €120 for the 2 nights. So don't think I've done bad at all. It's the first time I've ever stayed at a Best Western hotel. But yeah, really nice. Yeah, I can't wait to flop out tonight ahead of all the action tomorrow. So you've got the phone. Yeah, really nice. And BBC Two as well. Again, something you don't see very often, actually being able to got the golf on. The English terrestrial channels. So I'll see you in the bar. I'll give you a little tour downstairs in half a minute. Just make sure that I've got everything, and we'll go and have a nice relaxing drink. But yeah, nice little touch that. Happy days. The vlog here, the bar next to the hotel. As you can see, a little glass of Leffe Brune, I think they call it, a dark beer, quite potent. So I'm gonna finish this off. I'll just give you a little view of the thing while I'm doing that. Right, time to wander. Yeah, look, there's a bit of theme in there. I don't know what it's supposed to be or supposed to do, but yeah. And then there you go. You can probably just see up there, Best Western. Oh, we're going to give you a little look around the hotel. There's not much there really. Weren't worth the. You've got the tram here. So new to the vlog or new to the channel. So I'm going to conclude things. That wine in the room, by the way, wasn't actually complimentary. It was €10. So I'm not actually going to bother with that. So yeah, just about to go back to my room, and yeah, Walibi Belgium tomorrow. Cannot wait. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed it, and until tomorrow at Walibi Belgium, it is ta-ra for now, and I'll see you in the morning.